Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Copilot chat in your Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. So in many cases Copilot chat will be automatically present in your taskbar. So if you're having this particular icon, you can simply click this and open it, and you'll be getting the Copilot chat like this. If you don't have this, next thing you can just go to search and search for Copilot, and here you will be having the Copilot app. This is also another way how you can open it, and after this you can simply pin that. So if you search it, right click and just select pin to taskbar. If you don't have in both of these places, what you can do is just search for store. You will be having this Microsoft Store. Open it, and here just search for Copilot, and you will be having the Microsoft Copilot. This is the official one. If you install it, you can even use it. So Copilot has so many good features. Similar to ChatGPT, you can ask text, even upload your own files or images, and you can even generate images like this. Just give a prompt and it can generate images. And here we have different ways of responses. First thing is a quick response, which doesn't think much, and next we are having the think deeper response, which is suitable for complex task, and we are having the smart, which uses GPT-5, and we are having the deep research feature, so which browses and thinks so much of time and gets a detailed report on your question. And we are also having the upload features and stuff, and we are also having the voice input, and we can even like share the screen to Copilot. So this will basically like share our entire screen and ask questions. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.